Hello everyone, we are second year BTech students from Walchand Institute of Technology. Our project addresses the rising problem of online financial fraud. Today, fraud is not just about financial loss, it is also about loss of trust. Even a single unauthorized transaction can cause serious financial and emotional damage. To tackle this, we developed a real time fraud detection system using machine learning. Our system analyzes user behavior, transaction patterns, and anomalies to accurately detect fraud while minimizing false positives. By combining machine learning with OTP verification, our system is able to stop fraud before any loss occurs. With this approach, we are not just detecting fraud, we are protecting trust.
Before we jump into the live demonstrations, let us understand the brain behind our system, the risk scoring engine. Every transaction is evaluated through 4 layers. Layer 1 is the ML base score. Every transaction without exception starts with a base score of plus 10. This is the foundation. From there, additional points are added based on signals. The transaction amount adds more points. For example, an amount between 500 to 2000 adds plus 30 on top of the base. An amount above 2000 adds plus 45. An unrecognized device adds another plus 10. A foreign location adds plus 10 as well. So even before the other layers run, a single suspicious transaction can already carry a significant score.
Layer 2 is behavior analysis. The system compares the current transaction against the user's own historical spending. If someone who normally spends 500 rupees suddenly tries to transfer 50,000, there is 100 times their average. The system immediately flags it and adds heavily to the risk score.
Layer 3 is a velocity detection. This counts how many transactions the same user fires within a 30-second window. 3 or more is suspicious, 5 or more is treated as likely bot or fraud attempt. Trusted users also get points subtracted. Returning user, people on known devices, and those with a clean history can have up to 40 deducted from their total score. The final number decides everything. Below 40 approved, between 40 to 69 OTP verification is triggered, 70 or above the transaction is blocked immediately before any loss can occur.
Now we demonstrate the first scenario, which is a normal transaction. The system analyzes user behavior and transaction patterns in real time. Since no unusual activity is detected, the risk score remains low. The dashboard displays the transaction detail and decision clearly, and the transaction is approved successfully, ensuring a smooth user experience. Now we move to the second scenario, a suspicious transaction. In this case, the transaction amount is unusually high and the location differs from the user's normal behavior. The system detects these changes in real time and identifies an anomaly. As a result, the risk score increases significantly and the transaction is flagged as high risk. To prevent potential financial loss, the system immediately blocks the transaction and displays the decision along with risk indicator on the dashboard. Now we demonstrate the third scenario, which is secure user verification. Since the transaction is marked as high risk, the system adds an additional layer of security. An OTP is sent to the user's registered mobile number. The user enters the OTP and the system verifies the identity. Once verification is successful, the transaction is allowed to proceed and is completed securely. The dashboard updates the final decision in real time, ensuring both security and usability. Now we move to the database section. All transactions are stored in MongoDB. Here we can see complete transaction records, including user behavior data, transaction details, and calculated risk scores. Each transaction is logged in real time, which helps in monitoring, analysis, and improving the system over time. This ensures transparency and reliability of the system. In this way, all transactions are continuously monitored in real time, allowing the system to detect suspicious behavior and prevent fraud before any financial loss occurs. By combining machine learning based analysis with OTP verification, our solution provides strong security while maintaining a seamless experience for genuine users. With its scalability and real time intelligence, this system can enhance security across banking and digital payment platforms, helping build greater trust in digital transactions.